Alright, so yesterday it was pouring the rain, so we went and bought some stuff. So we bought a new ditching bucket for our mini excavator, and then we bought a drag chain harrow. So we'll go ahead and get them unloaded here. Heading up here to the top of the hill, pick up some netting off of the round bales that was underneath the snow and stuck and froze to the ground when we got the bales out. So I'm up here at the top of the hill, and it just started to rain, of course, and it wasn't raining. So I'm kind of tucked here behind a hay bale. We'll see. Hopefully it don't rain too much. If not, I'll have to put my coat over my camera here. But I'm up here and I'm going to pick up the straggler pieces of netting from the bales. So when it snows and gets cold and everything, it freezes down in the ground and you really can't pick it up. It gets stuck in there. So now that all the snow's gone, it's muddy, we'll get that all picked up and out of here before it gets in the hay fields or wherever and it gets baled up next year. So we'll get it straightened up. It's still raining here, so I may have to take my coat off and cover my camera here. I don't know. It's bright there, but there's one dark cloud coming. So we'll stay tucked behind this bale here. So the wind's not calming down. I'll maybe leave the camera here behind the hay bale so it don't blow over again. Almost a whole bag full. Another big piece over here. Alright, now I'm up here at the Dozer. I'm gonna put a new fuel fitting on it. It was leaking a little bit, and I think where the seal is on it, the face was tore up a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a new fitting in there, and hopefully that fixes the leak. yeah, I got the fitting put in. It's probably hard for you to see it, but right where I'm pointing is where the fitting went. It's hard to see down in there. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.